Hey guys, welcome back. So this video is a practical automation guide for you to manage and organize your leads effortlessly. So guys, if you want to generate leads, we recommend you to use a landing page, which is a great way to generate high quality leads. And to build one, you can use Unbounce application. And to convert those leads, you can use any CRM just like Zoho CRM application. But to convert the leads, you need a system which can put the leads into the right place so that you do not have to manually hassle with leads data between different applications. And that's where automation comes in. So here I am going to show you how you can integrate a landing page builder that is Unbounce with Zoho CRM application in such a way that whenever you are going to generate a lead in Unbounce, the lead will be automatically transferred into Zoho CRM, and we can build this automation without any coding. So stay tuned, let's get started. To set up the workflow, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. You can find this link in the description as well. And from here, you can sign up for free. So guys, sign up right now. And after that, you can sign in to reach the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on this create workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So here I have given this name. Now let me click on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up. Alright, and on this page guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, that is the trigger and the action. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow and the action is the automated response of the trigger. In our use case guys, we are generating leads using a landing page that I have created here in Unbounce application. This is the landing page. So as and when any person is going to fill this form I have added here, the workflow is going to trigger and the action or the automated response would be to send the same leads data to Zoho CRM here. Okay. So here guys, first of all, just search for Unbounce in the trigger, then select the trigger event as new form submitted, and it will provide you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to create a connection with Unbounce application. And after that, we are going to capture the response of the connection. So you need to follow these steps written here. So let me show you. Just click on copy here. And here you can see started showing waiting for the response of the connection. Okay. So let me jump back to Unbounce applications dashboard. This is Unbounce application and here is the main dashboard where you can see the pages. So this is a landing page I have already created. You just have to open this page here. Okay. And here you will find this integration section. Click on it. Under integrations page, you will find the webhooks tab. Click on it. Here you have to click on this add webhook button. Okay. And here it is asking choose a URL to post form data to. So here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got here from your workflow. So you have to paste it here like this. Okay. Then here scroll down and you can see this Unbounce form data option. Here you can see how the fields are going to be delivered. Okay. Now you can click on save changes. No need to do anything more. And you can see you have successfully updated your webhook is showing up here. Now you can click on done. Okay, that's how you can integrate Unbounce here with trigger of Pabbly Connect. Okay, now you can see it's still waiting for the response of the connection that we have created. So this means now you have to perform a test submission. Test submission means now I'm going to fill the form manually with some random test data, and the data of that submission will be captured here. And with the help of that data, we are going to set up the automation further. So let me open the page here. The landing page I have created. Okay, this is the page. Here I am adding the first name as, let's say, test. Last name is user. Email address is, let's say, this is the email address. And here let me fill a random number. Okay, and here I'm clicking on submit button and you can see it is showing success. That means the form has been submitted. Okay, let's check in our workflow if we got the data. And here you can see guys, we have received the response like this. it started showing the page's name, the page ID, and when you scroll down, okay guys, I have forgot to tell you one thing, that before capturing this response like this, you need to toggle this simple response button to on. Okay, it was off, so we got the data in this array format. You can see we got the last name in this square brackets, first name in the square brackets with these commas. This is called the array format. We have received the data in array, but don't worry, just click toggle this switch simple response to on, then click on recapture button, then click on yes, and it will start showing waiting for the response again. And let me just quickly fill the form once more with the same data. Let's say that the data is same, test user, and this is the email address and the number. So I have filled the same data once more, and here I'm clicking on submit, and you can see it is showing success once again. Let's check how the data will appear this time. And here you can see guys, we have received the data, and this time you can see we have received the same page name and the number, but without any square bracket or double quotation marks. And here we got the first name, the last name, the email address, and the submission date. Everything we got here. Now with this test data, we are going to create a lead in Zoho CRM. So in the section window, search for Zoho CRM. Here is Zoho CRM. Select the action event as create lead. Okay, then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, then click on connect with Zoho CRM. And here it will ask to enter the domain of your Zoho account that belongs to your Zoho account. Okay, so here we have these domains available, and you can enter your domain. Here is my Zoho account, and it belongs in zoho.in domain. You can see from the top search bar. So I'm going to put zoho.in here in this field. Okay, then click on save, and you can see it bring me to this page. From here I have to provide the access to Pabbly Connect to connect with. So from here, click on accept button, and you will be connected with Zoho CRM in a moment. So we are now connected, and it started showing up these fields here. So in these fields, you have to fill the data required to create a lead in Zoho CRM. So guys, in these fields, I am going to map the data that I have received from my landing page that I have attached here in the trigger. Here you can see we have received this test data. So I'm going to map these labels I have received here in these fields. So here in this first name field, I'm just going to click, and the previous step will appear here like this. And when you click on it, you will find all the data right here that you have received in the first step. So from here, you can just look for this first name label and click on it to map it like this. Similarly, map the last name as it is a required field like this. If you have designation, you can map it here. For the email, I have the email, so I'm mapping the email. Okay, and it is asking for the phone, fax, mobile. I have the mobile number as well, so let me map it. Okay, so I'm mapping the available data I have. These all are not compulsory fields, so you can leave non-compulsory fields blank as well. Okay, in the revenue field, I'm just going to put if you have the data of revenue, you can put the annual revenue data here. I'm just going to put one which you can update anytime in Zoho CRM, but right now it is a required field and it needs a data, so I'm just putting here a value manually, that is 1. Okay, if you have the actual data, you can put it here. Okay, and if the person has opted out for email, you can select yes or no according to the selection of the form. Okay, and if you have all these fields data, you can map all the things. Right now I'm just mapping the required things to show you the demo how the lead is going to be created. Then we have this save and send test request button. You can click on it and a lead will be added here inside the Zoho CRM lead section. Let me show you. I am clicking on save and send test request button, and this is the response I got. You can see it is showing the data as success. Let me show you in Zoho if I got a new lead. I am just refreshing the leads page, and here you can see guys, we got a new lead added with the name test user. So this was the same name and the same email address and here you can see the owner and all other details, and this is the same data I have mapped here. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, it is going to work automatically. Whenever someone is going to fill your landing page form, you will get the data of that person here inside Zoho CRM automatically. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using the same automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.